On this question, it's not terribly difficult. I mean, draw a picture of it, right? You've got a track glider, but they're both the same, right? And he is, it doesn't give you a mass, so when we don't assume a mass, assume you have 1 kilogram, and it's going to collide with another object at 1 kilogram. And what you have to do is you have to solve for the final speed. It's inelastic, meaning they stick together. So you've got, and this is at rest, right? So before, you've got m1 v1 plus m2 v2, but this guy's at rest, so this term drops, equals m1 plus m2, what's the mass, if you assume like 1 kilogram, times v2. And then what you're going to do to find the percentage, kinetic energy, of course, is 1/2 mv squared. So what is the kinetic energy before? And then you're going to do 1/2 mv squared. Now you know what this new v is, and you know what the two m's add together, and you're not going to get the same answer. And then to find the percentage, you'll have more kinetic energy here than you will here, so you will take this number, if you will, whatever that comes out to be, once you know V2 here, divided by this kinetic energy, and that gives you your fraction as a percentage.